Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm back to show you how to get these really easy, messy, beachy waves with minimal heat. So if you want to know how I got these beachy waves, keep watching. To start off, I'm going to use this mousse right here. This is Locking Coconut Curls Decadent Creamy Mousse. It's by OGX. And I got this at Ulta. So I'm gonna just shake this, and I had my hair in 2 braids before, and that's kind of like the trick to get the natural waves. I'm gonna get I have really long hair, so I'm gonna get a good amount, and I'm gonna start putting this into my hair and just kind of scrunching it through towards like the mid shaft and ends of the hair. And this will help to lock in the waves that I already have, and it will also help to let the waves last longer, the ones that we do with the waver. So I'm just running this through my hair, and then I'm gonna get a little bit more for the other side. This side didn't wave as much, just depending on how tight you do your braid. I had it in 1 braid and then I separated into 2 while I was doing my makeup, but I didn't make this one as tight, so some pieces are more wavy than others. So now that I've put the mousse in both sections, this is when I'm going to take this waver, and this one I got off of Amazon. If I find this one, I'll link it down below, but I got this one and there's like a lot of different sellers that sell this same kind, like this same model. And this one I focus it more on the top section, so I'll take 1 section first. And then I will hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds, depending on how stubborn your hair is or how thick your hair is too. If you have like thinner hair, you could probably do it 8 to 10 seconds. So I'm gonna hold it 10 to 15. Okay, then I'm gonna let go to the next one. And again, next one. And then I'm just gonna run it a little bit on the ends. The closer I get to the ends, the less time that I leave it, because that's already a little bit more defined. And that's how it'll turn out. And I'm gonna go do the next section. And I don't really separate my hair. If like I said, if I were to go out or something, then I would separate the hair. But I want it to look a little bit messier and just imperfect. So again, I'm gonna hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. And go to the next one. And I'm just gonna do 1 more section right here. So now, as you can see, it's all waved, and I'm okay with some pieces being less than others. I am gonna go in and add a little bit more wave to the bottom of the hair, just like towards the ends. And I'm gonna do this in big sections because I don't want it to be as defined. I just want something more subtle. And then if you want, you can take like a little bit of the back pieces and just add a little bit of waves there. And again, I'm going to take this in pretty thick sections. So now once I do that, I'm going to go back in again with the mousse. Take a little bit. I'm going to do less than the first time. And I'm gonna apply this all over again. And just scrunch into my hair. And then lastly, I'm going to add this texturizing spray by IGK. It's called Beach Club. And this is a brand new one, so let me shake it. And this one is really great to add texture and to add like a really nice beachy wave. Even when you don't want to style your hair, you can just put this through and it will give you really nice waves. And I'll put that all over and just kind of mess with my hair until I'm happy with it. So now I'm gonna go do the other side and I'll be right back. So now I'm back with both sides done, and the final step that I'm going to do is take a little bit of this Biosilk Silk Therapy with organic coconut oil, and it's a leave-in treatment for the hair, and I'm gonna add a little bit of this to the hair. I'm gonna focus this mostly on the mid shaft and ends of the hair, and I'm also just still scrunching it through, and I'm gonna put whatever's left over on the top sections. And this one is also for hair and skin, so I'm just gonna apply whatever is remaining onto my hands. So this is the final look. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified whenever I post any other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.